This video we have seen about the history of Python. If you haven't seen it yet, please check cards here. And in this video, let's see how to install Python so that we can right away start working on it. Let's go back to screen. First, open your browser and then type Python on the search bar. Yeah, from the results, go to the first result. Don't worry about URL. All the URLs will be available on description. No, this Python's official website, it has all the information about Python. But for now, we just want to download and install Python. So go to this download tab, click on it. And since I am using Windows, so it is suggesting Windows version. Currently, the latest version is Python 3.10.8. And installing Python is pretty straightforward. Just like I am installing on Windows, you can install in other OSs as well. As you can see here, download the version for your specific OS and you can start installing it. And if you want any old releases, those can be found here, but let's install the latest one. So click on download, it will start. Downloading is done. Now let's start installing the download file. Yeah, double click on it. There you have two options. So don't forget to click the checkbox here, add python.exe to path, so that you can run Python from anywhere. Click on install now. It will prompt you, then click yes and it will start installing. Let's wait for it to install. This process might take only some time. So why we are installing? Because we want to write programs and run them on our local machine as well. So that's the reason we are installing Python in our system. And honestly, if you are learning a language, we need to install and try it out, right? So before learning language, we definitely need to. Yeah, there are some online compilers as well, but it is recommended way. Let's just wait it out. Yeah, now installation is done, and let's see how to verify whether our installation is successful or not. So open command prompt or terminal, anything is fine. Type python dash dash version on the command prompt, and there you go. It is returning the current version of Python which is installed in the system, which is 3.10.8, and you can run Python from here as well. You can run Python interactively. For that, just type Python and there you go, we have the interactive terminal. So what interactive terminal does, we can give several commands to the terminal and Python interpreter will run it and will show us the result. Let's take a simple example. Let's add 7 plus 8. There you go, we have the result, and let's print something. Yeah, there you got the result. We will see more about interactive terminal later in videos. So currently we have verified Python is installed successfully in our system. Let's just exit out of it. For that, you just need to type exit and then open and close brackets. That's all, you exited. That's it for this video. We have installed Python successfully and ran several commands to just check whether our installation is successful or not. Yeah, that's all. And please check description for the URLs to download. Like, share and subscribe for more such nice videos.